Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Replit and creating a new Python REPL. Sign in quickly and pick the Python template. This gives you the interpreter, editor, and console instantly. Once done, name your project and choose private or public depending on who should see it. Make sure to enable the package manager and toggle version control so you can add libraries and track changes. Open main. Py on the left and keep the console visible on the right so you can run while editing. You now focus on the core work, installing dependencies and writing modular code. Search the Packages tab to add libraries such as requests or pandas. Installing here updates your environment immediately. Once installed, create files like main, py and utils, py and import functions across them. This keeps code readable. Make sure to store API keys and secrets, environment variables, rather than hard coding. Run your program frequently and test incrementally so errors appear. You finish by running and deploying while preparing for issues. Click Run to execute and read console errors closely. Stack traces point to the file and line to fix. If you build a web app, set the Flask entry point and use Replit deploy or the hosted URL to share it. Once deployed, monitor logs and iterate. If things go wrong, first restart the REPL, reinstall packages, and confirm secrets values. This sequence resolves most environment and dependency problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.